Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use green screen using Premiere Pro. So firstly, let's download this clip of Shia LaBeouf giving his motivational speech, and let's add it to our Premiere Pro project. I'm assuming that you already know how to create a project, so I'm not going to cover all those basics. And let's add in our secondary clip, which in this case is a Jurassic Park clip. And let's put the Shia LaBeouf footage above the Jurassic Park footage and make sure that the sound is below the Jurassic Park footage as well. Let's make sure that we've got our workspace set to Essentials. And now we're going to go and find the effect we call the Ultra key, which you'll find under the Effects menu under the subheading called Keying. And then you find the Ultra key effect, so you click on it and drag it down to the clip that you want it to apply to. And then we go over to the Effect Controls menu of that clip. We find Ultra key, we click on the little eyedropper, and then we click on the green area to select the color that we wish to remove from the footage. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of other gray little bits showing up. So what we need to do is to go to the settings under the key color heading, and then we can just play around with the settings until we can get that gray area cleaned up as best as we can. So now we've got the image cleaned up, we can spend our time editing our film so that we've got our footage where we want it, how we want it. We can also double click on the green screen footage and zoom in, crop in, make it bigger or smaller, adjust the positioning of it, etc., which is something that you can't do so much in iMovie, or you can't do it all in iMovie. So if you're reliant on iMovie for green screen, you'll find this infinitely better in so many ways. So let's finish editing this video and then let's have a look at the finished product. It is worth noting that you can also use the opacity tool to crop out little parts of the green screen image if you want to, so you can achieve effects like this one I'm trying out here. It's a little bit rough, but it gets the job done. And now for the finished product.
Do it! Just do it! Do it! Make your dreams come true!
Turn it off! I'm sorry!
Just do it! While you wake up and work hard at it, nothing is impossible! Everyone else will quit, and you're not gonna stop there! No! What are you waiting for? Do it! Just